Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Straight Outta Content, and today is going to be a very short video, but it's very important. Today I finally got my sticker. I'll put the link to the description, or I'll put the link in the description where I got this sticker from. It's like stamps.com or something like that, where I got the sticker from. But today it finally came in the mail. I had some mailing issues where my stuff was being sent back. It's really aggravating. But today, oh, by the way, you see the new merch. Hey, that shit is nice. But yeah, you know, if you want Straight Outta Content merch or something like that, just hit me up in the DM or or flashcustomdesigns.com. But we're gonna go ahead and put this on. I'm gonna see if I can record this and put this on. Where's a good spot for this? Maybe right here. Maybe like this. I thought it was gonna be a little bit bigger, but yeah, I think that might be good. Maybe right there, something like that. But yeah, let's go ahead and put on my new sticker. Okay, so we got the sticker here. My lovely wife, Flash Custom Designs, is filming, so I'm about to stick the sticker on, finally. I've been waiting for this for a very long time. I don't know if you can come in closer so you can see this. Waiting for a very long time. We can actually make these. I think the next stickers from here on out, all the rest of the decals, we will make in-house. I think I've seen this right here on somebody else's car. I think it was Big B TVs. I seen this and I was like, babe, I went ahead and bought it without asking her, can we make it? And she said, yeah, we can make it. So if you want decals or anything like that, vinyl stickers or anything, we can make that here in-house at Flash Custom Designs. So I think I'm gonna go kind of match the same social media link that I have on the other side and kind of put it up against the B pillar. I think that's cool right there. Does that look straight? That look straight, babe?
I don't know. Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, it looks straight. Who cares? Lay it on there. And squeegee it. Squeegee, squeegee, squeegee it. What the hell? You gotta press it good, baby. Put all those air bubbles out of there. Make sure all the letters stick. What kind of, this feels different. What kind is this? That's just some super adhesive?
No, this is just the covering. I don't know what the actual vinyl feels like.
Oh, it was silver on the back. It looked like Oracle.
It's not silver on the back.
It was. Yeah. Or maybe it was this. It looked like the Oracle kind.
Yeah.
All right, let's go ahead and peel it. Get that reveal. So they just basically print on top of this, huh? Okay. Then this is just regular old vinyl. But that's like a print. But we can do that too, right?
No.
Oh.
I would just do a layering.
Yeah, layering. Yeah, so it'd kind of be 3D on top. Which
the way it would have texture.
Yeah, this way I have texture. Just wanting to come off. That's what I want. I actually want the texture on top, so whenever we do it, it'll be a nice thick but we're gonna do that for the windshield, right? Damn it, why the hell you want to keep coming? See, we could have did a better job.
Pull it from right here.
Pull it from right there.
And then it'll get it from the bottom.
We could have did a better job at Flash Custom Designs.
From this corner.
From this corner.
Try to tell you.
Forerunner. Dang, it don't want to stay. This T don't want to stay. There we go. Little difficulty there, but we got it. Okay, straight out of content. So you guys will get to see what we can create when we do basically the same logo. Just a lot bigger. For the windshield, we're gonna do that for the windshield, and we might put one back there on the back glass, but definitely for the windshield, I want something big going across my windshield. But yep, I'll put the link down below where I got this. I know a lot of people have this, but I think that we can do better in-house Flash Custom Designs. But anyway, just wanted to make a quick video. Finally got this, so now I have something I didn't have any tags on this side of the car, so now this is my first tag on this side of the car. Just wanted to make this quick video. Make sure you guys go follow Flash Custom Designs. Make sure you go to our website, Flash Custom Designs, if you want any merch. You want this new, babe, what is this color called? Neon? Highlighter. If you want this new highlighter straight out of the content hoodie, I'll be taking more pictures of it. It'll be on my Instagram and stuff like that. Please hit us up, guys. And you know my slogan, I'm hungry. You know, I always gotta go eat. So you know my slogan. Be safe, be basic. Peace.